We've all been told that one of the best ways to avoid getting sick is to wash our hands with soap and water. Have you ever wondered how that actually works? Or why soap is so important? Well, we're going to look at that today on the science of safety. Soap. It's been around for hundreds of years, helping us stay clean and keeping us from getting sick. But what is it about soap that makes it work so well? For that, we're going to have to look close. Real close. Soap molecules basically look like this. That round end, or the head, is characterized as being hydrophilic, or loves water. The tail, on the other hand, is hydrophobic, or doesn't like water. But when it comes to fat, the opposite is true. The head doesn't like fat, but the tail is all about it. So how does this keep you clean? Well, let's talk about dirt for a minute, particularly your dirty, dirty hands. On your skin, at the tiniest level, is a mixture of all sorts of stuff. Dirt, salts, oils, and germs, like bacteria and viruses. Now, some of that can be dissolved away in water, but a lot of it can't. Oil, grease, and fat, those repel water. And germs? Well, a lot of them have what amounts to a layer of fat around the outside. Which means if you just rinse your hands without soap, those germs stay put too. At least until you pick your nose, put your hand in your mouth, or rub your eyes. Then the germs have an easy gateway to invade your body and get you sick. So, back to soap. Remember, on the soap molecule you have one side that's attracted to water and one side that's attracted to fat. And when you wash your hands with soap and water, these molecules do some interesting things. First, they group up in a round shape called micelles, where the fat-loving ends point inward and the water-loving ends point outward. These micelles can grab onto bacteria or bits of fat and oil and trap them inside. But what about a virus? Well, the fat-loving ends of the soap molecule are attracted to that outer layer of fat on the virus. And they so badly don't want to be around water that they dig and dig and dig into that layer of fat, eventually destroying the virus. As you rinse your hands, the whole process becomes complete. The water-loving side of the soap molecule grabs onto the water and gets washed away, while the fat-loving side drags the dirt, grime, and germs along with it. But there's two important things to remember: time and agitation. Just the mechanical action of scrubbing your hands helps the soap to lift away the dirt and grime. And when given enough time, the soap has a chance to get into all the nooks and crannies of your hands where germs like to hide. Which is why it is recommended that you wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. If you do that, you've set yourself up for a much better chance of avoiding sickness. We'll see you next time on the Science of Safety.